Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our Wing Chun Cross-Arm Chi Sao training. It's utilizing the Pak Sao with the Yun Sao and palm strikes. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click a like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
From here, Keith's going to come in with Pak Sao punch. I'm just going to half step back and pop. Everybody in Wing Chun is used to just dealing with jabs and straight punches. I love this as a setup. It's a good sucker technique. So coming back again, half step back. I'm going to throw a round punch. He's going to throw up a view. I'm going to Yun Sao step in and hit right to the body. All right, so he's going to come in, step back, pop, throw the hook, come to the body. So that's taken from Chi Sao. So again, if you choose, I'd like to see you all step out, throw that hook, Yun, and there's your target. Come right into the body. All right, so the first half of this drill is deal with Pak Sao punch, come back, throw the hook, Yun the hook, use the hook as a bait, come right back into his body. You okay with that? Did you go from the same drill? He comes in, my half step back, throw the hook, I bait him with that. As I'm going to body, this is where your Chi Sao comes into play. I'm going to strike, he's going to Jut Sao, Gan Sao over the top, come back in, Pak Sao. Now look here, go back. Hook punch, Yun Sao, Jut, Gan, step in, Pak Sao, right? So make sure you get that footwork. Step back in, throw the hook, Yun Sao, he Jut Sao as he steps back, Gan Sao, comes back in. So now you got just a good two-person drill. Nice flow drill. It's a very simple flow drill. You guys good?
One person stays the hook.
Yeah, we're just going to stay on one side. So what we'll do is run minute rounds.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.